G'day guys, Scott from Fat B Trader here, just bring you a quick trade update on the Euro US dollar. We obviously bought this pair on a buy and retest of this support level. It actually pushed through before we were able to get the order off, which was unfortunate, but the way it goes sometimes. So what's actually going on here is we've got a nice pendant pattern forming. Might have to just adjust that, but it looks yeah, looking quite bullish at this stage. Obviously we've got a bit of divergence here, but the US market is about to open up in. Okay, so this is looking nice and bullish now. We're about 40 minutes away from the US open. Not quite the ideal time, but now that daylight savings is off again, I'll probably be trading back in the London-New York overlap, which is about from now until, you know, for the next sort of 3 hours. It's definitely my favourite time of the year for trading. You know, we get a lot of these kind of nice moves in that period. Look, in theory, this could possibly run, if I go to here, oof, jeez, stuff that up. You can see there's this sloping resistance line down, so that's why we've got some issues there getting higher. But if you look at that there, and you said we just moved there to there, oof, it's not quite there, is it? There. There, I'll just duplicate this. That'll give us a nice target, which is more or less in line with this resistance. Alright, so I'll just go back in here to the 5-minute chart again. And we're getting a little bit of a breakout now, which is nice. Wonder what the fib expansion tool says. Let's have a look. Hang. Whoop. Stupid bloody gaming mouse. Alright, so let's say that this is our target in here. Just see how this is panning out. Well, actually, it looks like it's going to run now. It's typical. Now, if we get above this level here, this is where we're going to see some stops, and we'll get a decent push up on the back of that. People getting stopped out, which would be nice for us. Not much happening. Oh no, here we go. Just when I think nothing's happening, we get another little bit of a pop. This may be pretty difficult to get through. This is a pretty decent line of, should make that black actually. Goodness me, what's going on there? Getting a lot of messages. So it's going to be a fairly hard line to get through. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, here we go. Here's the stop run. There it is. Oh, yep, there we go. Now here's the second stop run. This is what we were talking about in yesterday's video. If it's a decent level, we'll see a bit of a pullback and then a push through as it takes out the remaining stops. Here we go. Oh, yep, that is what I'm talking about. Bit of fading now. Yep, nice. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a decent test, isn't it? Okay guys, so basically price has pushed through as we saw before. It's actually come down and retested this edge line, which is so common. You know, would have been a great place to rebuy from here had you not been in the trade, because it immediately reversed. So we'll just wait and see what happens from here, but hopefully we'll just see it push on to our primary target there, which is our circle zone. So we're just seeing if we can test this high. Struggling a bit, but maybe. Okay, so we've seen a serious stop run. Holy moly, now we're seeing a really big stop run. Okay, we're in our profit zone. So, you know, now's when you've got to actually have a look and decide whether, you know, you want to take this out or you want to leave it in. My thoughts at this stage, you know, although this is tearing up, what you've got to look at is we're right on the edge here, you know, right on the edge, which means we could actually see this pop up and then retest this sloping line down further. I don't think that'll be the case because of obviously, you know, we've got some, you know, price actions moving in the same way as volume and momentum and all that sort of stuff, but it's a tough one, and you've really got to look at and say, you know, when am I happy to get out, you know. I mean, you just saw then, that was a massive run. I mean, that's, well, not a massive run, Jesus, but it was like a 10 point, 15 point run, 20 point run, basically on the back of, oof. Well, it's certainly moving. So New York's open. These guys look like they're going to run with it. I'm just having a look for see if there's any news coming out. It's so funny, isn't it? It just got right to that zone. Oof. Righto. We're out of there. That's just starting to look ugly. So, you know, we did give up some upside there. We gave up about 10 points. So, you know, we bought in here. Well, you can see where we bought. There you go. A nice little pendant pattern there. Basically, you know, we got the push up to the upside, which is great. Got to our target zone. You know, we could have closed it for a slightly higher profit, but we're kind of in the danger zone now. Like, if we can't get past this level, this 138 level, we are in the danger zone on the euro. So I think that's probably going to be me done for the day anyway. There's always, you know, there's always more money on the table than you can possibly get. So it's not worth chasing it, if that makes sense. You know, if you had a couple of good trades or one good trade, you don't really need to do another. I mean, I'm not greedy. So, alright guys, that's it for now. I'll post this on Profitly, and we will see you tomorrow. Till next time guys, trade well.